Iye Sharon. Okpamen webie e Sharon. Venant diona. Wawe na wagigi wakawe. Yegiri we lawa. My head one burst. A story boom. Yes, Sharon, what did you do to Mr. Okpamen that make Mr. Okpamen to say, when he make Sharon, Okpamen, and his brother can't use their uncle, which is their father, younger brother, to do papa. Wow, yes, Sharon. No, ya venue wa. I got video now. Share this video for me. Because if you are Tana, my people, Salo Buanola will go. Me bad mama no bonus. Você na yeye yaku, veli yeye ya o meno wo momo. Now I know why some people they humiliate their mother. Now I know why some people are humiliating their mother. And I will come out and start attacking them. I will come out and start saying, you are insulting your mother. Your mother that carried you in a womb for 9 months. A mother can carry you in a womb for 9 months. I still don't want you to succeed in life. I'm going to say, yeah. Yes, Sharon. Enogie. I do know Tana. Were you really in the life of your children or not? That's number one. Anybody agbo you man we she just lost her child. I mean ya why? Person with the shops ni. O ma no regile, o ma no drive le vi rojo. O ma no vie dawu, o me right. No ya te presenter. Nobody should tell me, nobody should comment anything here right now. Because as far as say I don't get evidence to talk about this woman. It cannot get any simeri will not see me here. Me, Nanomi, in evidence, me ya sagawa. And when you have a vana, or say not going vana, tell them the truth before 7 p.m. Because at 7 p.m. you say, you shall yate me, why you surprised way. They not get ya matter na here. I'm gonna share this video for me. Only, I said to get to say. So what I tell the truth in here? Before I continue, I want to apologize to Papa Kevin, Jama First Lady, because of the evidence when I hear about Mama Sharon. If I see anybody they insulting Mama again for this life, I don't talk put. You got the baby no more. When he come outside and insult Mama, he did because he might not say so. He made it nice to me, or say he may not hear you money. If my mother was not nice to me, he gave me even money. So now we go. Mona share this video, go give Papa Kevin. Hey Kevin, Papa Kevin 101. I beg. He might not say so we are visual. La we go. La. If I saga you because you insult your mom, forgive me. He might not see so we are visual. Imagine non si ezo nous va jouer. Imagine non si ezo nous va jouer. Ere Kevin. I said Jama First Lady husband. Please, my brother, I know they will cut this part. They will come and give you. You know why I'm apologizing to you today? Because of what I saw and heard with evidence of proof this morning is making me to apologize to you. Iye Sharon, where a Facebook people have found that. Everything Osamede said is the truth. Everything where God talk about Mama Sharon is the truth. Iye Sharon, drag me. Iye Sharon, you and your first son. Let's talk about you and your first son first. You say your pikin no one come up for your house. Pikin will not like you from the beginning. One stay with you. How? A son that never loved you. Now you train that your son, that your first child. What train they are? Or maybe your training first child where? Before Sharon came into this world. I know now you're surprised and say, who can go tell Enogie all these things? Or maybe Ogbao gay. Ne Sharon die. Not here, you know that prince. Okpamen be name. And now that person, I train that boy. He not get the love of a mother. Talk less of say, now when you call carry a corner, waiting and last take you and no. You and your pikin not in good terms. You and your pikin not dey in good terms. Why you and your pikin not dey in good terms? Why you and Sharon not dey in good terms? You don't ever see pikin. Where you and mama dey in good terms, you go to explain to outsiders. If house not kill you, outside not go fit kill you. Now Benin they make this parable so. Iye Sharon. Because you know now say Sharon don't die. You want use everybody chance to liar. You want make everybody feel say you were so nice to those children when you were so nice to Sharon when he was alive. Your son has disowned you, has his mother, not this year, not last year, not last 2 years. Why did your son disown you? Why did your own son disown you as a mother? Who is taking care of my own daughter at home? They are taking care of my own daughter at home. What does that have to do with that one? That one they different now. Before my master don't travel that. I may turn down I will maybe where. You know where you have like boy. As the matter gets tougher, I will see it. Now let's talk about Sharon. And how Sharon take wake up one morning say she want buy house. Me, I never talk the deepest part. Because that one, now around 7 p.m. today, now I want to talk that one. Here Sharon do. When Sharon get me belly, when he come back from Nigeria, all those things, it could not read like 5 months. When Sharon come to squad for your house for day, Wetin happen? What's you do? Hey Sharon, you dey date married man, not be the problem. They even they buy clothes. They give the man wife so that may forget entrance to the womb to the man life. You know fully well that this man is a married man. You go market, you go buy that one cloth, you go buy that one wife designers, make you forfeit get access to this man. When I share this video for me, Sharon was pregnant, heavily pregnant with 5 months. Sharon was squatting with you. Then she never even dreamed to buy a house. Now you leave Sharon to go buy a house for outside. Sharon stayed there, he never reached how many months. You were the cry now say you fit take care of grandchild. What Adam Yoruda. When I'm aware that here, I'm aware we are D. your eye change for head. Before you know, pregnant woman come dey sleep ground. All you know in life is your market, your bar, and your boyfriend. I know say go shock you and say all these things where they talk now. You know, guy, I find that here. Now, Sharon brother couldn't made. Your pikin get belle. Your boyfriend, they say they call your ass. How many rooms can't take the house? How many rooms can't take that house? When it be say, Sharon get belle. It can only have yourself. The guy be. You still they talk, say, now so your boyfriend they come your house. Your boyfriend can't really come your house. A Sharon if you want to have your talk. A pregnant woman was sleeping on the floor. Now, when your first son come made, say, how can a pregnant woman be sleeping on the floor before you can't allow Sharon to sleep bed? You and your boyfriend can't sleep down. And your boyfriend can't sleep ground. Can't get where he reach. Now Sharon can't talk, say, you want to go buy house. You say the money in where we go now. You get money to take baths. Make sure you give you the money. May you put for your bar business. May your bar business for her. The bar business will make that move. That's what I say, eh? If they tell you say not get the way they sleep for this house not clear. The way you have your one am clear, you they tell us say the money where you want to buy house, may he give you. 60,000 Sharon ya do wani, but she can't pay 50K. Before Sharon can't balance the remaining 10,000. But down yo. Now, mama, I want buy house. If mama say no, me give her the money. Sharon will go there or say sorry. And I will say, come on from my house. You get money when you want to buy house. But to mama will go in many you and ya will buy me. Sharon has no place to go. Sharon now, look, who can be my friend who I'll figure yes. Sharon now use that belly to go. Patience easy house. Yes, Sharon, do you know the date, the month when they born Mimi? The card there with you. Yes, Sharon. Mama 50 cents. Hey, Cardi. Now you be a Mimi, the first one. Do you know the date and time when they take born her? You know. You are start today. Neru niye dange bioma. Madam 50 cents. You see all these things that you are trying to cover may not come aside. Some people they say now because you not call me. That's why the verse no. And he started me on me. Start up on me. Because it matter now set now. Oh set it, but I don't know. My mother is not perfect. Even my perfect. But me like the story na ya phone. I'll call Leon and know say my mama not treat me like this. For a mother to allow her child to leave the house heavily pregnant, to you not even care where he go. He still reach patience is the house. The man will give Sharon Beled in Nigeria. That's why they tell and say, it is not good, it is not nice for you as a woman here to go carry Beled come from Africa. It is not good. But he had a big topic he. As he reached there, my mama easy come ask and say, what did happen? Now with the stress and everything, my mama easy come say, okay, no problem. He go talk. Iye Sharon, do vebo yo di yizi madwa vasi we. Nuri ovwe la wa. Iye Sharon. Mama Patience easy. Not come your house, come talk to you in favor of your daughter Sharon. And you not tell Mama Patience easy that. Now because she harbor Sharon for house. Now make body the cash Sharon. Make Joey, make chase Sharon away. Now Mama Patience easy leave you. Go back to Sharon and tell Sharon. You really want bears? Now Sharon say yes. For where you dey? Another woman has stand for your daughter to have a house. Sharon get house today. Now Mama Patience easy and easy make Sharon get house today. Madam, 7 p.m. to Wetin Monica nuta renew. Yes, Sharon. Sharon de coma. You open bar. You dey do your suya business. I'm talking down on another person's mother. I'm not talking down on another person's mother. But Omaga will be down. Utamawe, this thing where you do so is bad. It matter that song. Me no, you go the first one said. The first one, Mama, they don't agree. The hatred, well, where that guy get for Mama, not just go there. The hatred, where Mama, where the first son now get for him mother, no you go there. Now today they let me know, say, the guy not even join the GoFundMe donation. The guy is not even part of it. The guy is not in support of it. Before Percy, blood brother, cut us say, he not go join the GoFundMe because he no get that money, they go last. Say now, Mama Sharon, now they want to go give that money too. That was where the boy shifted. The boy not they GoFundMe. Now people, one they look on one side again. Why gage one side? Why gage one side? No. Don't do that. Let's call it spade the way it is. And let's say the way it is. Now, what I've done here, because he might go on. Yes, Sharon. He might saga away. He might not see a born way. But which person mother go yes say a picky de coma? Sharon say now we if you have any time you live video now. If you know that I'm lying, prove me wrong anywhere, anytime, any day. Eriaro sa medori guana. A presenter me Enogie. Ori gue guana. On a yoga o sa mede ya when ya do inya. When you do chatting when you do inya. Ya kamia we na musake kiria musamimi. Sharon now is dead. A spirit of you where the merry way. Gazebawe. Wetobu we before the kid to have vibrated, you know say my evidence starts. What it really break quarrel between you and Sharon? Can you open your mouth and say it? You cannot be. You not go try and talk what it really happen between you and Sharon. Sharon walk up to your house one day and saw you with a man, and he told you that, EJ, this man, I don't sleep in house before. Mommy, leave this man. Did you leave that man? Oh, now share this video for me. I could better never see story. We dey hear from the one side since then now. We have been hearing from one side. One side. Now, let's hear from the other side. You're not going to know who call me. And I'm not going to ever tell you who call me. Oh, one man agbona. Oh, a setting. You, even you say you they look me now, you are a mother. You support what Mama Sharon do to Sharon. When Sharon dey coma, coma means you are now at the point of life and death. Coma means you are now in the middle of life and death. If God stand by you, say your head good. Coma means your one leg is already the land of the dead. And your one leg is the land of the living. If God stand by you, that your leg will did the land of the dead, you can't join out to the one who did the land of the living. Now they will come for you say, person where they come, I don't wake up, oh, congratulations. But if you not come, if luck run against you, the leg will did the land of the living. You can't add that join the one who did the land of the dead. That means you not go wake up again. If a mother, yes, Sharon, not be told they can't go they threaten them, they can't beg you, because Osamede and Godin, they know they do presenter work. They never drag their parents. Not be like us, now they don't drag their papa, drag their mama, drag everybody. Anybody go to saga my mama today be like person with the Chris, because they don't saga my mother tire. You don't get what you want to saga my mama where they never talk. Yes, Sharon, the uncle of Sharon and your first son, they love that their uncle where they entirely pass you. Mama na mama, but not before this kind of thing. If you are a mother, you are watching me right now, you are a presenter, you are a blogger, you supported what this woman did to her daughter. If you're picking the critical condition, you know, and you can't fear, you know, go do your normal business. Now that day you shock course. If you're picking the sick, you leave that you're picking where they sick. You can't go any business where they do. If you be on live vendor, if they do hair, if they do any cloth, you can't leave your picking where they sick. Go they do your clothes. Finish, you know, short course. No! Wariebo. Fuki ariebo. Bagbe meyo. Iye Sharon. Ageu. Ageu. And now, you will not fit take care of your own picking when you use your total bomb. You say me they bring me for you. Why? Me for the use and they collect the veil from government. The custody of this child. Now you for no say me. Who tell Enogie this thing? It's custody of that child, Mimi and Usarwesi. You will say you don't see anything here that I'm emphasizing on. The day you will be in a critical condition, your mother will leave you there to die. You are writing me put. Then you will know that what I am emphasizing on right now is not just something you talk about. Now something where if I ever get the time to emphasize on that to 10 years time, I go emphasize on that. Anybody where they support Mama Sharon, say Mama Sharon do away, Mama na Mama picking de coma. All your kids don't see ya. Jesus, your mother will abandon you. Your father will abandon you. If you get children, you go abandon them. If they're there in any situation for life, where Mama and Papa supposed to stand for picking, if you reach your turn, you know if you stand there. In with that business again. Now the custody of the child, because I have the cut her now. Me she 14 no say, I know the cap since, I know the talk since. I am talking from what I heard with evidence of proof. For where Sharon brother for the evil they talk now say, If Sharon, if there is a reincarnation, if Sharon is coming again, you know, go pass through this kind of mama con life. Now then you know, say, or Logan person, elder brother, not join GoFundMe, whether they raised for his sister. The guy is not even part of it. And now they talk everywhere good. Two people come and say I can't talk something, and at the end they can't go apologize. And will not see reasons to know say something is fishing. Now this woman is trying to be a good mother in the eyes of people, so that you bring your children call Europe. That one for later. And you take bring them, come. Waiting up will make you bring them. You not just carry bring them. I'll still tell you that one later. The custody now. The uncle now. The Sharon uncle and this is your son. You. This is your son and Patience Easy. Now have the custody of Mimi. You did there yesterday. Why didn't you tell them that you do not want Patience Easy to have the custody of that child? You, your picking, your son, Patience Easy, and that your uncle. And fourth, now they give the custody. Wetin make the carry custody, give friend, according to now the talk say Patience Easy just a friend. Ye Sharon and Dimoto the Patience Easy, Omaya, the role Patience Easy and her mother played with you. The role where Patience Easy play with you as you were supposed to be a grandmother. My boss code. My your boss code. This speaking with Sharon Bonso. Ye Sharon. When they can't drop Mimi with you. I to tell you call with Sharon wa hospital. Say make the call carry Mimi. Say na so slap it, they slap you if you wake up. Sharon was not forced to call Patience Easy to go and carry Mimi. If you ask Sharon, may we go club? Leave your pikin with your mom. Sharon go say, mama no sabi take care of pikin. Your own granddaughter can stay with you. When your daughter born this one now, we take a life. Who tell you call where hospital where? Yohana Magwerie. Sharon was not forced to call Patience Easy to go and carry that child. Now the same child now you are requesting now for them to give to you. Madam, sorry. You don't get the qualification to take care of your grandchild. That was why the custody was wide. That was why they give Sharon brother custody. They give their uncle custody. They give Patience Easy custody and they give you custody, madam. Ah! People wicked. You know say social media go come for you. That's why you first come to play counter-attack. When I got midfielder, only you want to become football team. When I want to because why? You know they will always come for you. Madam, you are wicked. Madam, you are wicked. You don't even get any remorse. Say you lost your pikin. If you get that remorse, you not go even call any presenter. They tell them how you take bring your children come Europe. Now competition something. You bring your pikin. Oh wow. Now you take bring them come Europe. Competition level you have like webo. Yes, Sharon. So you know fully well that Imnusamededuta is truth. In a godly daughter is truth, and you allow these people to apologize to you because you place them under threat. They threaten him anyway. Yes, Sharon, come and threaten me. Come on, don't threaten me. Well, maybe tell one way, I might tell one way. But I will tell the world the truth of how you were. You are just manipulating a co-better. Not good for that one. Now a co-better meet a match. Now manipulator mean manipulator. Because I want to know where me down. And me down me. Person lost her daughter. She don't drive now. She don't know what they call phone. She don't enjoy herself. She don't call presenters. You see that GoFundMe? He may regret with it me. As far as Sharon brother is not in support of that GoFundMe, then that GoFundMe is a scam. Amaturu wagma to no njagwa. O wa karyomi. For you to become a chairman outside, you have to arrange your house first before you become a chairman outside. If your son is not in support of that GoFundMe, then you and your son is not in good terms. Where were you when Mama Patience stand by your daughter to have a house? Why did you not support your daughter to have the house? You see me give you the money. May you take the Dubai business. You are just an evil mother, pretending now to be nice in the eyes of people. You not show Sharon real love when Sharon they are alive. You might be a mother, no doubt, but there is something you were doing that made Sharon to look for a friend in his sister and confided in her, which is Patience Easy. Mimi, where you know if you take care of when the mama they are alive. Hey, Mimi, nous vraiment mettre baoge, bada bioe, ala ya baoge, hey. Sharon tell you say this man is the friend, so he don't date time before he don't sleep in your house. From that day, you should be ashamed of yourself as a mother to continue with that man. And you were also blaming Sharon that he was dating Jeff. We get well for us. Madame Rimao, Imo, you know. And ya fait. Ça made David Golden Tie is the truth. Yeah. It's nothing but the truth. How could you? How wicked you are. You are so wicked. You are so wicked to allow your daughter to be in coma and open your shop. A shop Ibo Awole. Treasure Leonard, this is not an insider color. This is not just a color. May we leave that one till evening. More are coming. Before Papa Sharon use you say, he want use you to vein you wa. Now woman we they not to trust. I have vein you wa. Before you know it, Papa Sharon say no need you anymore. Wow. Who gives Sharon? Sharon. That name, Sharon, who give her? Now you? Not be you give her that name. Now papa? Not be papa give her that name. Now this their uncle, so I give Sharon, Sharon. I still give this guy a name. Now this their uncle still did their life to date it tomorrow. Sharon's spirit is not asleep. No matter how you try to cover this, Madam 50 Cent, should I tell you your real name? Your real name is Joy. Share this video. Why have you told me? Your real name is Joy. Your own father was not happy with you when he was alive. Your own father always just sent where? How did I know of all these things? Because of your atrocities. You form nice. You are a narcissism. Narcissism, okay. You appear to be good in the eyes of people, but indoors, you are not good. All you know is how to Okpamen. Ekia, you are ready to spend your hard-earned money to make a man not leave you. You are ready to spend your hard-earned money on a man, make that man not leave you. Man, and your beer parlor of that suya small business we do, those are the things you take serious in your life. You see, I say, Sharon, spirit, fair use of some meditate talk. You threaten her, he apologize. Sharon again, use God, they talk. Now threaten that one because he not they do, he not too strong for saga. Now, the Sharon spirit now is using me now to say it confidentially that when your daughter was in coma, you open shop. Come and tell the world. That is why I write it. Tell the world the truth before 7 p.m. You have to tell the world the truth. Since we were straight and I presenter, you will continue to say the truth of how you treated Sharon when she was alive. You cannot tell me otherwise. Forget me for can't know your name. May I describe when I ask for you? I'll describe that one for you later. Hello. Yeah. Yes. I'm on live video. About what?
Helping you to shoot content video.
You did shoot? Are you for one there now? You know, you just lost a fan. Come on, get out of here. I know you before. Kunle, you don't ever hear me say, Kunle, good evening. You both are talk show me. What didn't we? Guys, boy. You all know your count now. I don't write you for grand already. What you do when you want to make me see a guy, I don't write for grand already. Wow, on a piece of social media now, I have me Sharon. We no tell matter. We no ya treat Sharon or Ragmo. What's the normal support of ye? A good mother will always support the ideas of his or her children. Now the joy of every mother and every father say they are picking one buy house. Why did you not support? Why did Mama Patience, Patience of Sharon? Why did Mama Patience now stand for Sharon to go buy house? Why? Sharon, get him for your house. Yes, Sharon. Hey, Sharon will go Google. Sharon, get him for your house. A GoFundMe. GoFundMe where senior son not join. What kind of a GoFundMe is that? I wish I could get all these stories. Now they get my right information. They think make a story now. He may get support a GoFundMe. Support what? Is there any remorseful? As a mother that just lost her child, the answer is no. You that lost your child, you have the right, the confidence to call a presenter and tell the woman how you brought your children to Europe. You just carry them come, finish. What happens after that is a story for this evening. Sharon, brother, not get wife. Now I call better fans. Where dey Mama Sharon house? Where Mama Sharon give one room for your house? Now they tell Echo better everything they form say. Now the boy wife in be. Sharon brother never marry and he not get wife. Echo better. The ball is about to turn. Shebu wa gbinaye mata. Now we want to know who they fight for truth. Shebu wa gbinaye mata. Wa gbinaye mata. Sharon brother does not have a wife. He not get pikin. If Sharon brother get wife, Sharon brother not go give Sharon daughter to her mother. Hello from Ireland. So Echo better, you say brother wife, Sharon brother wife, we did the sing. You have to provide it because Sharon brother not get wife. Sharon brother not get wife. When the Sharon get suffer say, as the brother come pity Sharon rich. The brother come to say, Sharon, now we don't get house now. He go rent one part, mean they give you the money. Oh, when we're not waiting in Sharon out, which is your son. Now that house you can go stay for 5 months. No Sharon take the Nigeria. You know how Sharon take pay that money finish. You know who Sharon call the call. May go the help and they withdraw money. Sharon pay 50,000 euro cash. From there, Sharon begin to pay 500 euro. Okay, I pay for to make him 60K. You are so wicked. Wicked igbe. You like prick past your life. Ou like ekia, c'est life you way. Ekia, anything ekia, what's say mama 50 cents. Anything prick, leave her for this woman. She can spend hell for this prick. I have more money we bought her. You carry picky come Europe. It's your responsibility to take them to anywhere in the world. And it's your responsibility to stand by them to become successful in life. Not be to buy carry picky come Europe. Sharon not go feel live. If Sharon wake up now, I can't hear say easy return me go give you mama. Sharon feel made patience easy. Oh, it's you swear. This present one will even happen so. Who give you a take again hospital no do momo. Who go not that be the bend down. Why blood not go pass through ahead? Why? The spiritual controls the physical. This is not a spiritual problem. Sharon died out of lack of care. That was what the doctor told you. Why are you not telling the truth? Why are you making people to look like say Osamede and God did not know what they do? You know why those people can't apologize to you? Number one, They don't be presenters. Osamede na just blogger. Where they Facebook, they do a thing. Goldie na just TikToker. Where they do a thing for TikTok. That's why they can't apologize to you. 2, people advise them, say, Wetin can be your problem for person matter. Oyo wewo, iye, okisto, uvieri kuma. Oyo wewo, you apologize. Now they can't apologize to you. You know what you want to bring juju paper for? If you will bring. Number 1. When your daughter dey coma, you know open store. Yari bebori. Number 2. If Sharon dey convinced to leave Pikin with you, Yari bebori. You know Sharon account. You know how much Sharon gets for her account. You love your daughter so much and you don't have your daughter's password.
Say, lobby Baba give her money, we take the JB. The Lord give
her. Yeah, Tony.
Okay.
Ide. When the matter na bungbe. See that whether I know we now. Echo better. You say when Sharon come Germany, Mama Sharon give her money. Iye Sharon. Inigo guri ne. Sharon, how much you say give her? Yes, Sharon. We are they take 3,500 euro. E we are in Sharon. No yari e Germany. Why did you give Sharon 1,000? Already a phone get way. Already a television get buy. A mother pet collateral, as in a mother allow her daughter to pay her collateral to give her 1,000 euro. Mama 50 cents. Sharon just die. You never more Sharon reach 24 hours. You don't look for person where Sharon give money. Wait, what they say for Sharon for Germany? Anybody will go talk say this is not fair. If you not see that for body, you go become a bad mother to your children. Osta ide say amen. Osta ide say amen to what I just said. Anybody that will analyze this video, you know analyze and well because you and Enogie will get problem. My dear, you will be a bad mother. The bad mother when you want to be to your children, they go they beg you for one thing until they provide collateral. You know, give them. Wait 3,500 euros. Una moure bavwe no gu. Ivani na mwa we madam. American was say, oh wa jani diae. American was on jani diae. You why so not ye. Everybody know how I love mother so much. But for me to come out like this, you will know that something has happened. I'm not just talking. I'm not just talking. But I'm spilling it out. Everything I've said is fact. Then they'll come back use. He newly lost the pikin. She's money. Dollar. A mother who mourns can never drive. At least I remain 1 month. My patience is even returned that your picking just now. Etoga solely the patience is. Etoga come away, mommy, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't Etoga come away when their grandmother were touching me. Uga arriva see that already custody. Custody means patience easy can take that child from Italy to Nigeria. He get the custody. Not be your president for give you custody. Not be make a cobete on the Chris yesterday. I be a cobete. However, Wita me ko betene. Umata mewe. Are custody ni patience easy o. Don't call me mama. Don't call me auntie. Call me mama. At the end, they can still give them custody of the child. So Oyibo na fool. Oyibo stupid. You go fund me. Nothing no Enogie. Sharon, that brother. Sharon, that brother. Not they go fund me. Wa mari ege mi sunu. Go fund me. Okay, Sharon, it all. Madam, can't tell the world what make you and your picking on the play. Dota Magbon. Inwe mori moye. Una minu yagbe zaga vo. Salopo negi mayovi magbe zaga. How many children you can't get? Abon, iwa do te hiri kuana, abon, ini do tamawe, inu sa medita e matano, ini godita e matano, e imeni no gina de gbe do ta na we, vege de Sharon na rekoma, o ki e sto, iye down, iye down, like bad mother. What can I describe you as? If I describe you as a bad mother, this is exactly how you can describe a woman to be a bad mother. Your child, when you push, you are so devilish. Very devilish. Picking the woman. Now market hold you. You know you should call pastor, call native doctor, call afar. Make them make sure say that picking wake up. When my son or two my son. When my son or two my really not be mane oa. When my son or kiano you way. Now ya me go marizun da. When my son or binano you are. Ma send up binano way. O wa nu ma supporti. Ni Sharon de. E ori ya tota ive na ni afon mi madam. Oh wadi. That house. Good afternoon, Lady Precious Meg. When Mama Patience, Mama Easy, Sharon. Encourage her, stand by her. Provide every property to take by the house. Not be you can't go stay today now. Iye Sharon. Davio. Na prayer. Say me person. Inherit person papa property. Person mama property. Oh yoma. Or you huwa. Yoma or you huwa. Mama. No they inherit picking property. Now picking they inherit papa and mama property. Do tamagbon you no soon. Do tamagbon you no soon. Do tamagbon. If not, madam, it buys a gas way. In evidence in ne, ni aya mowe. When you attack to that lost way, that we're not lost of, we might get to lost more. Also, not have me patience easy way. Larry, to go on. She just the post normal post. Away, I want to respect my late friend. Oh, when you young now me again, you are presenter. Now the way GoFundMe. A GoFundMe no, we're not your support. Who does that? Who was Romahia? Abu we Mahin. Now, onu mwemi ya yumuzi. Uona do atizi yo madan. Uwe kwe Sharon for wise. Uwe la dia with 3 weeks old baby. The patience is now. Or move where you are. Or move where you are. There are people you help. There are people you don't help. We have a woo. I mean, one a woo. Tari niru na to. Emi no hu na we ma. So mo ma de webo. Ori koma because who mo de webo na ise ai no ori koma wa. Madam, ihiri yetana. Ya de gbere, ya do tave gason. Madam, ya do tave gason because you cannot cover this thing. Or see the Sharon away until she have justice before she can rest in peace. Patience is your guy, emergency grandmother to your grandchildren. We're not like grandmother no anyway. Why will you call your daughter another beer? Ni ado momo. Go magwe were ubi or one you out. Not be so children be. Babies that they play where the autism are play. They don't know say you they slap them. They slap you they slap you. Nonsense. They form what for me? What for me? Where to mourn? You are deceiver. Make the video one that you go for me. Awa. If not you and not your support, may support you. Awa. If ni ma again, il y a your leader on the Sharon on the phone. Il y a your on mode your supporter. For every action, thank you, my darling. God forbid, oh, when you donate, why look here? If no more your support, why did you? Why did you? I know there are a lot of good Benin people in Edo State, in Edo cyberspace that wants to really help. But when I settle down, I use our tongue, take out on our teeth. Person sister there, she wasn't part of the GoFundMe. He is not even in support as we speak right now. He's not in support. Wetin make your son beat your boyfriend? Wetin make her? Only turn now and keep her later. Boy, gbe. Oya gbe. You dey more, you dey bolo. Wa bole kia you 50 cents Enogie. Wa sun. Madaika. Igu wa sun. Why joy? Why you are? When I give me work back, okay, woe. Am I more you talk? And when I fool no. When we know why we on mona no guna, he love you keka. Genye. Mano ene oragmo. Ya sebe una me more by here. You lied on this girl. Say that 3,500 euro you give her. You better than 1,000 you give this. You give Sharon to. All you need a big television and a phone again. When you not be your mom. Some mother sha. You not bien Mariana, you bien Mariana. Papa Kevin, Jama first lady husband, I am sorry. Anybody aladian. Anybody la jena rovision. Igi guayo. Ogi Sharon e wa ya enwe. Even no gbeke or weke o. Hello. Your madam, call sister me. Yeah. It's an abomination, a very big one. It's a very big abomination, big one.
I don't know what God understand this beneath something. Because I don't change them. Because I know Vivian is where a forbidden thing, no. I give money can I move you not go even know because now cost.
God bless you.
A cost, you know, for you to know where they bury your child is a cost. To even control the bar where arrangement is a cost.
Tell the presenter now, my also not another. He made to make an announcement in my sister. Or Tion and not Dion. Or Te Sharon, mama. Or we and they back go for me. My day support.
Jesus. When you affect that they have here because I born a hina.
He's a senior.
Only when 5 days, you not pack your why. You don't have your own house, never do a point.
No, I pack your why. Mama, have you not bar? Every young man, mama. Your park area is not the problem. That was the same house. Normal supported Sharon. Not there. Like Sharon na ragmo. Ezo ni agui. When Sharon mu go ni no. Fiate ya dowa. Ni ya booster a business ni e. Sharon na gwe. Ye se wo wa we. It don't tell you to go the rent house. So make your back. Ni wa ni je. Ona igwe ibi ne we me go na ya dogwa we go na mu me ya we business ne ona we even iye patience easy was even the one no pa we wa re ona we e madam na yin ga gwegun an ga ri ona ka me we
easy to return the child that means in a she they go the talk to a compete because then you compete one many see more easy everything else we don't with down here and when I'm money you ma want bobo but when I'm money here na me
egile ye wa egile ye wa vari to no mo ba egile ye wa go egile ye wa kakaboni ha mother we just lost the pikin. He said, oh, Mona the talk amen. Mona the talk amen. What me yo amen, Lord God. Everywhere you bought the kinamo even you. Everywhere you bought the kinamo even you. Saloboa, a bobanya yi. No, let me add diagmo. Everywhere you bought the kinamo even is a prayer point. Go better way they look for view. Or I just will go or zoo. What is the deed for Sharon? You cannot do it. If you do them, you will be Facebook. You will test something. I can't go here to tell her. And you want to keep the secret. The secret where patients keep. No matter taboo say.